Total plus 192 bucks. So quite easy, guys, in our chat. So and excellent, the deal closes in plus. Hello trader. Today we will trade only using one phone and nothing else. So I will show you all my settings that I use when I'm trading only with phone. So as well as all the tricks and new access. So well, as always, we will raise a couple of $100 with you. So subscribe to the channel and we get started in here. So here, the traders, we see the demo of me and my screen. So let's immediately start the settings. So turn on the settings, select the time frame, just click on the clock. As well, it's 30 seconds. It's also very convenient to select the transactions amount, $100 today. We will trade, as always, on pocket option, our favorite, and think pocket option. So the developers of the creators that have many made very convenient trading on phones. Honestly, I have never seen such a convenient one. We can also change the time frame on our chart. It's quite easy to turn on 30 seconds. We can select line, candles, how convenient for you. So it's done well. When you click on 3 points, there is also a list of indicators. We see absolutely all the indicator, guys. We see that you can write also in the comments it would be interesting for you if we could bargain with indicators, because today we won't use it, no indicator today. So we will use general technical visual analysis. I will teach you how to quickly analyze the general structure of our chart. So we trade on currency pairs. As always, on the left in the lower left corner you see trades. There are open trades when you open a deal. Everything is visible there. So the balance is $11,500. We trade on currency pairs. As I said earlier, you can also trade on cryptocurrencies, different stocks, and so on. So we also go to the tab with stars. Here we have selected currency pairs, and I specifically highlighted a couple of pieces. So here we open the trade immediately on a decrease. So we see a down arrow is shown. So also in the lower left corner, we see a trades and there is a one. So one trade is open. At any time, we can go in and see. So I repeat, I only use one phone, so nothing else. But don't worry, I don't have a computer nearby, so I can watch. So we are filming in a studio, as you can see, and all this is absolutely and transparently visible. We have a pretty good volume of candles, 2 confident candles for lowering. The turning points, as there weren't any special ones. Total plus 192 bucks. So quite easy, guys. Who remembers the video about trading by phone? Write in the comments if there are old people here, so you can go to the channel to look at it. And in the meantime, we're moving to the second currency pair. By the way, I remind you that all these signals are broadcast to my Telegram channel. So signals, I mean, these are my trades that are at the moment I open. So they all repeat and are broadcast on the Telegram channel. So a person sitting, he sees I open a trade for an increase. He instantly published the name of the currency pair and the timing and in which direction you should open. So up or down. In this case, we see an increase. Go to the trades tab. Here you can see the timing, the amount of the transaction, potential winnings. Everything is absolutely easy. I repeat, so thanks you pocket option. It's very cheap realized. So it was probably the best version for phones that I have seen, because many of the comments ask that the deal was closed in the meantime in plus, guys. So we're talking with you. So they ask how to trade from phones. And what if I don't have a computer and so on. So here I give you the opportunity to always select your favorite currency pairs. You can add them by clicking on the asterisk and then proceed for the next currency pair. So here we open the deal to go down. Now I'll explain why. So we see an increase here by cross. So let's draw the trade. I'll do a small technical analysis of the phone. So it's also quite convenient to do. I'll dedicate one of my next videos to this. So I'll go fully explain how to do it more convenient on the phone. and more comfortable for you. So before the end of the transaction, 8 seconds, we see I have identified the area of resistance. So therefore, will be a greater probability of a reversal. In the exchange of the candles, it has recently begun to decrease. So on the eve of the reversal, and our transaction was closed plus 192 bucks of total profit. By the way, I want to share with you the joy. My student have bought a bunch of equipment of Apple, and he bought it all simply by copying my transactions and signals from the Telegram channel, and it's absolutely free, guys, you know it. And so quickly go to the Telegram channel, access will be closed soon. So here you can draw, I open short, so trend lines, just straight lines, vertical, horizontal, rectangles, and you just click on the cross and you will remove absolutely all your figures. So the transaction amount is 100 bucks. It's still quite simple. I also want to ask you to subscribe in addition to the Telegram channel, also on the YouTube channel. So put your likes, write the comments about ideas of the further videos and so on. So by the way, I recently had a video coming out answering your question, guys. So there I answered most of your questions from the comments, how to start training, what to do if you start completely from scratch, and how correctly search the information. So on my Telegram channel. So I always remind you of my contact for personal communication with me. So suggestion for question is in my Telegram channel. So go there in the description of the group and there is my contact, guys. So that's the situation in the market at the moment. Here we are a few of my favorite currency pairs in which I added a couple of pieces. Of course, we won't trade on all of them, so there is no point in delaying the video. Now let's just move on to the next currency pair and continue our trading session. And I'll continue to explain to you the general essence and how to look at the chart. Here I'm showing several currency pairs. We see everything conventionally. Everything is clear without any dimming bugs. Everything is clearly visible. Meanwhile, we move to the next currency pair. According to the general chart, we see an upward trend. We open a trade for an increase. So now we are in the area declines. We have a drawdown. Let's now draw it for you. So we see there is a certain area of support. It's the lower area of our drawdowns, and we're pushing away from it and we're moving the upward direction. So it's very important. So I highlight the general trend by connecting certain points, and the general trend is also an upward trend at the lowest point in our chart. So, and excellent, the deal closes in plus. The deal is quite simple currency pairs we come across today. So fortunately, also advised to always choose currency pairs, look for better ones. So this is very important, and don't go for everyone in a row. I trade on everyone because I already know it, and you as a beginner are looking for the easiest paths where the most pronounced areas of resistance, support, volume of luminescence. So here we opened a trade to increase, since in the previous period we saw a sharp decline and now we're experiencing a general recovery of the graphics. Also, let me remind you that my team and I have recently developed a personal bot for automatic transactions, if you know, so you don't even have to wait for this trading session like this. So just come in and start trading in a bot. So very easy. So a video about this on the channel will also be released soon, or has already been released, so watch. Here is the graph get confused a little, and you can also watch a video on the bot. So the bot works automatically with the help of artificial intelligence. The deal has closed in plus. Great, you simply select the currency pair you need, and regardless of the time, you start trading. So, but if this option doesn't suit you, you can trade the signals in my Telegram channel. I remind you that the signals are the data of transactions with which I trade, so easy. And also I remind you a couple of hours before the start of the trading session, of course, that there will be a session there. I will shoot a video or just trade, and I will publish all the transactions a couple of hours so you to get too ready to it. I remind you of the link in the description, and as usual, and please like, write a comment, watch till the end. What we see here on the next currency pair, we opened for a decline here, and if we connect the last period using straight lines, the extreme points, we see is that our chart is descending and goes lower and lower. In this case, the volume is pleasant until the end of the transaction, 5 seconds. I repeat, you can go to the trade step. We see this transaction has been closed. We also have a plus. There is nothing particularly complicated here. I repeat, currency pairs for today are quite good. By the way, we already have more than 12,000 bucks on our balance sheet, and it's great. So by the way, where my money from the balance, I answered in the video with general question about trading and also from the comments. So we see a slight increase has begun. Who noticed at the bottom there is a social trading tab? It's a tab to copy my trades. So here I show again the time frame. What is social trading and copying trades? You go, click on social trading, enter my idea, and here are all trades that I have now opened. They will automatically open from you. So to get my ID to which you can connect, just go to my Telegram channel. There you just enter the ID in the search for the Telegram channel, or write me a private messages, social trading, and that's all. So very easy. So dear traders, I will finish this video. Thank you all for watching. I proved to you that with a phone you can trade quite easily, so it's not very difficult. So all the links are in the description. So like from you, subscribe, watch my video series, so leave a comment and watch all the videos are in the Telegram channel. So thank you all for watching, and bye bye.